So that's the Renault Espace from 2010, and I will replace one of the front windshield wipers. And that's the old one, it was removed. I will show you immediately how to remove it and how to insert it back. And that's the new one. The mounting part is different, it needs some adapters from here. The newer one is this one, it's from Ocean, and it's 700 millimeters in length, 28 inch. That's one of the wipers, the one which is on the right side. The other one for the driver is a little bit longer, it's not 700 but 750. Okay, so let's see. This one, it has a hole in it. You have to attach it like so into a shaft, but this one has two holes, two openings, and those openings are larger than that one, so we need to use one of the adapters, and we need to use this one which has a shaft that's cylindrical shape with a hole inside. So use that one and insert the cylindrical into one of those holes, pull it through, okay, and just push it down like so. Now here, move it a little bit to the side, and that's it. So just insert the shaft and push it down, and voila. Now the diameter of this one is equal with the diameter of that one, and we can use it. They don't look identical, but it's usable. We can attach it. Okay, so it is even shinier. This one is broken there. Okay, so now let's attach it. So put it with this part on the top, not down but up. Okay, and lift this up and insert it there. Okay, and that's it. So this is holding it not to come out. Without this adapter, it will move. So currently it stays pretty firmly. Without that one, it should come down much more. It would wiggle. This is compatible with these cars. Renault is here, Espace is here, and this car is from 2010, so it's between that date.